Hi, it's Allison from Mahalo.com, and today we're looking at basic multiplication. Now, multiplication is actually kind of a form of addition. So let's look at this. Let's say we have 5 times 3. That actually means to add 3 to itself 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 threes. Now, that doesn't seem too complicated, but this gets a lot worse if you have something like 215 times 3. You're going to take a lot of time and a lot of paper writing out 215 threes. So we have a way of doing this. It's called an algorithm, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Now, when you do this, you want to rewrite your multiplication vertically. So you're going to write it like this. And you always want to make sure to line up your columns. So make sure that the numbers that are in the ones position line up. If you have numbers in the tens position or hundreds position, make sure you line those up too. So this is how it works. 5 times 3 is 15. So I put the 5 of my 15 down here, and I carry the 1 over to this column. Now, 1 times 3 is 3, and then I'm going to add the 1 I carried. Not multiply, but add. 1 times 3 is 3. Plus 1 is 4, and 2 times 3 is 6. So 215 times 3 is equal to 645. That's a lot better than trying to add 3 to itself 215 times. Now, this will also work for multiple digits. So let's look at another example. Let's say we have 215 times 24. Again, I want to make sure that my ones digits are lined up, my tens digits are lined up, etc. Okay, so let's go. 5 times 4 is 20. So I put down the 0 of my 20, and then I'm going to carry the 2. Now, we're just going to worry about multiplying everything by 4 for now, and then we'll worry about the 2 afterwards. 1 times 4 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6. And then we go over one more column. 2 times 4 is 8. Now, since we're going to move over here and do the multiplication here, I need to put a placeholder here, a 0. That's because we're not really multiplying by 2 here, we're really multiplying by 20. So putting this 0 down here will account for that. And now we just do the same thing. 2 times 5 is 10, so I'm going to put the ones position of 10, which is a 0, down here. And then I'm going to carry that 1 over. I'm going to get rid of this 2 because that was from before. 2 times 5 is 10, put down the 0 and carry the 1. 1 times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And then 2 times 2 is 4. Now what I do is I add up these two numbers, and that gives me my answer. 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 3 is 11, so I put down a 1 and I carry the 1. And 1 plus 4 is 5. So 215 times 24 is equal to 5,160. This algorithm will work if you have 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit, however many digits you have, this will work. Just make sure you get everything lined up correctly and go for it. And that's how you do basic multiplication. Thanks for learning with me today. If you want to know more about any of the topics we discussed, click on the links. And if you liked our videos, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any specific requests, please send them to requests@mahalo.com. I'll see you next time.